How to sign into Roger's credit card account online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into your Roger's credit card account. For that, launch open any web browser and head over to rogersbank.com. Now, if you want to log into your credit card account, you first of all have to log into your online banking account. For that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the sign in option. Now over here, you will have to enter your username, then enter your password. In case you have forgotten your password or username, tap on the link that says forgot password and recover username. Once you have entered all the details, tap on the sign in option. Once you have been successfully logged into your account, you want to navigate to the credit card section. Once you get over there, you will be able to access your credit card dashboard, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.